Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about best OBS recording settings. So let's get started. So if you want to enable best OBS recording settings in your OBS studio, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First open up your OBS studio and then tap on this settings option which you can find in the bottom right corner. And after tapping on that, now you just have to tap on output. Inside your output now you just have to make sure that your output mode is on advanced. So if it's on simple, just simply change it to advanced, and after changing it, now just tap on recording. So we are trying to change our recording settings, so we are going to change it. Now in order to change your recording settings, what you have to do is just simply head on over to your video encoder option, and after doing that just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that make sure that it's on NVENC H264. So if it's not on that, just simply change it to that, and here you will find recording format. So you can also change your recording format to MKV or MP4. So if you just change it to MP4, then what will happen is if your device has low battery and it has shut down, then what will happen is your MP4 file will easily be get corrupted. So if you don't want to have that, then what you have to do is just simply change it to MKV. And after changing it to MKV, what will happen is if your laptop or your device gets shut down, then what will happen is it will save the part that has been recorded without corrupting it. So what you can do is just simply change it to MKV, or if you don't want it, just simply keep it to MP4. After changing that, now what you have to do is just simply scroll down, and after scrolling down here you will find your bitrate. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and then change your bitrate. So your bitrate will be determined according to your internet connection. So if you have a poor internet, then you might have to keep it as it is. But if you have a strong, then you can easily change it to 10,000. Or if you have a medium internet speed, then you can just simply change it to 5,000 or 4,000. So after changing it to that, now you'll find preset. What you have to do is just simply change it to medium preset, or you can also change it to good preset. So if it's on good, then it will have good quality, but if it's on best preset, then your device might lag. So just simply check that. You will have your tuning option. Make sure that it's on low tuning. If it's on high, then it might lag. If you have a high-end device, you can just easily change it to high. After changing all these options, now what you have to do is just simply tap on apply and then tap on OK, and after doing that your changes will be saved. So after changing all those options, now what you have to do is just simply head on over to your audio mixer, and from here you will find your mic or AUX. What you have to do is just simply tap on this three dotted icon and then tap on filters. After tapping on filters, now you just have to tap on this plus icon, and from here you can just simply add noise gate, noise suppression, and you can also add gains. By adding gains, what will happen is you can just simply go ahead and then change the noise. If it's too high, just simply change it low. If it's too low, just simply change it to high. So you can change your dB. Now you can add noise suppression. After adding noise suppression, now it will remove any background noise that is in your recording. And after doing that, you can also add noise gate. This will also do the same thing. Just simply make sure that you have added it, and after adding it, now you are ready to go. You can just simply go ahead and then record it, and after recording it, you will have the best recording settings in your OBS. So that's it guys, this was about best OBS recording settings. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thank